Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna do the unboxing and full review for the new and latest Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. Right now I have the brown color inside the box, so let's open it and see what's inside. So first of all, for sure we'll have the phone itself. Let's keep it aside. And inside the box we'll get this case, which is like hard plastic, and it comes with the finish here of vegan leather. As you can see, it looks premium and feels so good as well. And we have here Huawei Supercharge, which is 100 watts. And it comes, as we can see, with Type C and Type A same time. But I do believe that you can use only one port in one time. And also we have Type C to Type C cable, which is 6 ampere. Let's jump to the phone and see how it looks like. So this is the phone. First of all, the first impression, it's a little bit heavy, but to be honest, the finishing in the backside is so premium. It's a vegan leather, brown with this finishing. It looks amazing. I like it. I really like it. And here we have the X-Mage logo and the new camera design in the backside. And also the screen here comes with curve. It's not flat screen. Unlike the Pura 70, it comes with flat screen, but the Ultra and Pro is curved edges. The phone is slightly heavy. It's not that much light. Plus also it's not that much slim. So it comes here with 226 grams. So it's not light. It's a little bit heavy. Plus also it comes with 8.4 mm thickness. But still it feels so premium in the hand. When you are holding the phone, it feels so premium. And for sure the screen size here is 6.8 inches. Let's put it up and see how it works. So here we go. As you can see guys, the phone, we just put it up. The screen here, as we mentioned, it comes with 6.8 inch and it comes with the OLED technology. And the screen here guys, it supports up to 1.7 billion color. So the colors here will be so sharp, so true. And plus also it comes with LTPO screen, which it adjusts the refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate. So if you are using the phone for heavy application, the refresh rate will jump up to 120 Hz. And if you are using for just normal browsing or light app, the refresh rate will drop up to 1 Hz. Plus also the screen here comes with resolution of 2844 by 1260 pixel. So the resolution here gives a very good pressure. Plus also the pixel per inch, it comes with 460 pixel per inch. And talking about the camera here, we have the 50 megapixel ultra lighting pop out camera. And this camera here, it comes with 1-inch sensor. I think this is one of the biggest sensor in the market right now, 1-inch sensor. And it has aperture of f1.6 up to f4.0. And talking about the ultra wide angle, it comes here with 40 megapixel ultra wide angle with aperture of f2.2. And also we have the ultra lighting telephoto or macro telephoto camera, which comes with 50 megapixel f2.1. And for the camera zoom here, it goes up to 3.5x optical zoom and in total 100x digital zoom. And the good thing about this camera guys, the main camera here, it comes with something called ultra speed snapshot. So the camera here can capture any fast moving object up to 300 km/h. So for example, if you are taking a picture for the running train, so the camera will capture the photo steady and so clear. Plus also we have the 13 megapixel ultra wide selfie camera with f2.4 aperture. And the front camera here gives a resolution of 4160 by 3120 pixels, and video resolution for the front camera here support up to 3840 by 2160 pixels. Moving to the battery, so the phone here comes with 5200 milliampere battery, and also it comes with 100 watt super fast charging. This is the wired charger. Plus also it supports the wireless charger, which is 80 watts and 50 watts reverse wireless charger. Dual SIM, and still it supports only 4G. It doesn't come with the 5G technology, and it doesn't come also with the eSIM. The only version that comes with the eSIM is the Pura 70 Pro. And talking about the processor here, guys, as we know now, Huawei start to manufacture their own processors, which is the Kirin. So the phone here comes with Kirin 9010 and it's 4 nanometers. Talking about the software, as we know that Huawei, they are using their own software, which is EMUI for the global version and the Harmony OS for the China version. So the Harmony OS 4.2 or 14.2, sorry, the EMUI 14.2, it comes with a lot of features, but the main or the most important features here is the Google. So as we know, Huawei, they cannot use Google apps. Even the Google Play services are not available. But right now, if you try to download any app from the app gallery, so automatically there will be not third party, it's like replacement of Google Play services, which is micro G. So if you just go to the settings and you'll go apps, you will find here something called micro G. These two apps are replacing the Google Play services. So if you install any app like YouTube, Google Drive, Google Maps, you will open it without any help of third-party app. Unlike before we know that Huawei, they are using Gbox in order to get these apps work. But now, simply just install the application, open it. There is no any third-party app needed. And the good thing also, you can use your WhatsApp and back up your data, your chat, your files to your Google Drive. Unlike before that we are doing the backup on the local drive on Huawei devices, but right now you can just back up your chat to Google Drive. So as you can see, guys, here you don't need to have any third-party app. Just open the YouTube, direct will go to YouTube. There is no any Gbox or Gspace or whatever, so built-in apps. Still, if you want to use the Google Play, you need to have the Gbox. Google Play will not run without Gbox. Only some apps from Google where you can download it direct from the app gallery, and it doesn't require any help of third-party app. Also, the new software here comes, as we know, only the Mate series in Huawei comes with this kind of features like air gesture. So if I want to open, for example, this page, I can, okay, for example, if I open this page, I will just, it needs to be a little bit far, so I can use my hand just to scroll up and down this page like this. Even if I want to take a picture, or so very easy to, from far away you can do that, even if you want to take a screenshot like this. So these features, I think we had it before in the Mate 30 Pro, but right now it comes back here with the Pura 70 and Pura 70 Ultra and Pura 70 Pro. So that's it for our video today, guys. If you have any questions, just drop your comment in the comment section below. I'll get back to you. And if you like the video, just hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Until I see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.